In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Jira. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just trying to keep track of your tasks, filters can be an invaluable tool in Jira, ensuring you have quick access to the exact information you need. To start off, you'll need to head to the Atlassian website. This is the home base for Jira and many other great collaboration tools you might be using. Once you're on the Atlassian homepage, look towards the top right corner for the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll be directed straight to your home. Once you've successfully signed in, your next step is to navigate to your Jira homepage. The homepage is essentially your dashboard and serves as the central hub for all your projects and tasks. Here, you'll see an overview of your projects along with any tasks and issues that need your attention. Now, directing our attention to the top menu bar, seek out the search field designed for issues. This is a powerful feature in Jira that allows you to find specific issues with ease. Enter the criteria or keywords that relate to the issues you're interested in filtering. Be sure to spell everything correctly to avoid any discrepancies in your search results. Next comes the vital step of setting your filter criteria. When setting up a filter, you have the flexibility to define various parameters. These can range from project names to assignees, or even specific keywords that relate uniquely to your tasks. Take a moment to think about what information you want to extract from your Jira system. If there are certain key projects or issues you frequently refer to, consider including them in your filter criteria. This will help streamline your process and save time in the future. As you define these criteria, notice how the search results dynamically update based on what you input. This real-time adjustment ensures that you can fine-tune the filter until it perfectly suits your needs. When satisfied with the results, you'll want to save this filter for easy access. Look for the Save As option, usually located near the search bar. Assign a unique name to your filter so you can instantly recognize it later. And that's it. You've successfully created a customized filter in Jira. From now on, you can come back to this saved filter and quickly access the specific set of data you need, thus increasing your productivity and organization within Jira. Remember, mastering filters can significantly boost how you manage tasks and projects in Jira, making this an essential skill for any Jira user.